Have you ever wondered what could be the biggest mistake that silently eats away your profits when buying ETFs? Most investors jump in thinking ETFs are safe, but the truth is, one wrong move can completely derail your financial goals. Let's uncover that mistake together. Come with me as I explore the world of ETFs and uncover the biggest mistake investors make when buying them. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, have become incredibly popular among investors in recent years. They're known for their diversification, flexibility, and often lower fees compared to traditional mutual funds. This popularity is unsurprising given how they allow investors to gain exposure to a wide range of assets, sectors, and geographic regions with just one trade. But as with any investment, there are critical mistakes that can cost you. Many investors are drawn to ETFs because they seem like a straightforward way to invest in the market. However, like any investment vehicle, they come with their own set of pitfalls. One of the most common mistakes is not doing thorough research before investing. This can lead to buying ETFs that don't align with your financial goals or risk tolerance. Understanding the underlying assets, the ETF strategy, and its holdings is crucial. The world of ETFs is vast and complex, with thousands of options available. This variety is both a blessing and a curse. It's easy to get overwhelmed and make impulsive decisions based on short-term market trends or sensational news headlines. Taking the time to assess your investment goals and understand the ETFs you're interested in can save you from costly mistakes. Some investors might overlook the importance of liquidity, trading volume, and the bid-ask spread when selecting an ETF. These factors can significantly impact the cost of buying and selling ETF shares. Ignoring them can lead to paying more than you should for transactions. There's also the risk of over-diversification. While diversification is a key principle of investing, spreading too thin across too many ETFs can lead to mediocre returns and unnecessary complexity in managing your portfolio. It's essential to strike a balance. Furthermore, investors sometimes neglect to consider the tax implications of their ETF investments. Different ETFs have different tax structures, and understanding these can help you minimize tax liabilities and maximize your net returns. Another critical aspect to consider is the reputation and reliability of the ETF issuer. Not all issuers have the same level of expertise or track record. Investing in ETFs from reputable issuers can provide an added layer of security. Market conditions can also greatly affect ETF performance. Failing to consider these conditions and how they might impact your investments can lead to unexpected losses. Being aware of economic trends, interest rate changes, and sector-specific developments is vital. When it comes down to it, the biggest mistake to avoid is probably neglecting to understand the expense ratios and other fees associated with ETFs. These costs can eat into your returns over time, and not paying attention to them can lead to paying more than you need to. Expense ratios vary widely among ETFs, and even small differences can add up. For example, consider two ETFs that track the same index, but have different expense ratios. Over a 10-year period, the difference in fees can result in a significant disparity in returns, with the lower-cost ETF providing substantially more value. Moreover, it's crucial to look beyond just the expense ratio. Other costs, such as trading commissions, bid-ask spreads, and potential premium or discount to NAV, should also be considered. These costs can vary and impact your overall investment performance. The underlying assets in the ETF's investment strategy are also critical. Some ETFs invest in derivatives or other complex financial instruments, which can introduce additional risks. Understanding what you're investing in is paramount. Furthermore, investors should be wary of ETFs that seem too good to be true, offering unusually high returns with low risk. These are often red flags indicating a potential scam or a highly speculative investment. Ultimately, making informed decisions requires a deep dive into the ETF's prospectus, understanding its holdings, and assessing its historical performance. Websites like Morningstar, Yahoo Finance, and the ETF issuer's own site can provide valuable information. Investors should also consider their own financial goals and risk tolerance when selecting ETFs. This personal assessment can guide the selection process and ensure that the chosen ETFs align with one's investment strategy. To avoid the biggest mistake, investors need to do their homework. This involves not just looking at surface-level information, but digging deeper into the ETF structure, costs, and potential risks. In conclusion, Buying ETFs can be a smart move for many investors, but it's essential to approach these investments with a critical eye. By understanding the potential pitfalls and taking the time to research, investors can make more informed decisions. The key takeaway is awareness. Being aware of the potential mistakes and taking steps to avoid them can significantly enhance your investment success. This means continuously educating yourself and staying up to date with market developments. ETFs offer a versatile and often cost-effective way to invest in various asset classes. However, their benefits can only be fully realized if investors approach them with caution and diligence. By being mindful of the common pitfalls and focusing on thorough research, investors can harness the power of ETFs to build a more diversified and resilient portfolio. If you've had experiences with ETFs, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Your insights can help others make more informed decisions. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more investment tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.